Welcome back to our channel, your new home for mastering medical school lectures. In today's lecture, we'll be discussing cell adaptation, cell degeneration, cell aging, and stem cells. This is a very important topic because it explains how cells survive stress, respond to injury, and even regenerate tissues. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss upcoming lectures, like the video and share it with your colleagues. Alright, let's begin. Cell adaptation. Cell adaptation refers to changes that occur in cells in response to environmental stress or challenges. Cells constantly face threats such as chemical agents, diseases, environmental hazards, physical stress. Despite these challenges, cells often adapt and continue functioning. However, extreme stress may lead to cell injury or death. Main types of cellular adaptation: atrophy, hypertrophy, hyperplasia, dysplasia, metaplasia. Atrophy. Atrophy means decrease in cell size. When many cells shrink, the tissue or organ also reduces in size. Causes of atrophy: poor nutrition, reduced blood supply, lack of exercise or workload, loss of nerve or hormonal stimulation, and disease affecting the tissue. Types. Physiological atrophy is a normal process. For example, the shrinking of the thymus in childhood. Pathological atrophy occurs due to disease and is common in muscles, the brain, and reproductive organs. Hypertrophy. Hypertrophy is an increase in cell size, leading to enlargement of an organ. Types. Physiological hypertrophy is due to exercise or increased workload, like skeletal muscle growth. Pathological hypertrophy is due to disease, such as heart enlargement from high blood pressure. Compensatory hypertrophy occurs when one organ compensates for the loss of another. For example, one kidney enlarges when the other fails. Hyperplasia. Hyperplasia is an increase in the number of cells due to increased cell division. This results in the enlargement of tissues or organs. Types. Physiological hyperplasia is a normal adaptive response, such as uterine lining growth during the menstrual cycle. Compensatory hyperplasia is the replacement of damaged cells, like liver regeneration. Pathological hyperplasia is caused by excessive hormones, leading to abnormal overgrowth. Dysplasia. Dysplasia involves abnormal changes in cell size, shape, and organization. It is often seen in epithelial tissues and may sometimes progress toward cancer. Metaplasia. Metaplasia is the replacement of one mature cell type with another. Types. Physiological metaplasia is a normal cell transformation, such as cartilage converting to bone. Pathological metaplasia is caused by chronic irritation, like airway changes due to smoking. This can increase cancer risk. Cell degeneration. Cell degeneration involves damage to the cytoplasm while the nucleus remains intact. It often affects highly active organs such as the liver, heart, and kidneys. Most changes are reversible if the cause is removed. Causes include fluid accumulation, fat deposition, calcification, and cellular adaptation stress. Cell aging. Cell aging refers to gradual structural and functional decline over time. This occurs due to damage to DNA, proteins, lipids, and cellular organelles. As damage accumulates, cellular function declines, tissue efficiency decreases, and overall health deteriorates. This ultimately contributes to aging and death. Stem cells. Stem cells are special cells capable of self-renewal through division and differentiation into specialized cells. They act as the body's repair system. Types of stem cells. 1. Embryonic stem cells are derived from early embryos. They are pluripotent and useful in regenerative medicine. Stem cells can also be collected from umbilical cord blood without harming the newborn. 2. Adult stem cells are found in children and adults, present in bone marrow, skin, liver, and other tissues to help repair damage. Examples from bone marrow include blood-forming and stromal stem cells. Importance of stem cells in medicine. Stem cell therapy has potential applications in heart disease, diabetes, neurodegenerative disorders, spinal cord injuries, stroke, and arthritis. Research continues to expand rapidly. Summary. Today we covered cellular adaptation mechanisms, degeneration and aging of cells, and the types and importance of stem cells. Understanding these concepts is essential for physiology, pathology, and clinical medicine. If you found this lecture helpful, subscribe to the channel Like the video, share with classmates and colleagues, and keep learning with us. See you in the next lecture.